In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Midjourney art in the style of Japanese art. So, what we want to do is get some images of some Japanese art. You can go to Pinterest or Google or wherever, find some stuff that you like. So, I like the style of this, it's pretty cool. I'm going to save this. I'm going to go to Midjourney. Now I'm going to do /describe. And I'm going to click on this image and click enter. So this is the free version of doing it. I'm also going to show you a paid version in a minute. So what it's going to do now is going to look at the image you've made and it's going to describe it in 4 different ways. So 1, an Asian-inspired illustration of mountains and trees in the style of sepia tone, psychological phenomena illustrations, whimsical animation. Basically, here we go. It's given us 4 different examples here. Now, what I want you to do is read through all of the ones you've given and pick the one that is the most accurate. Then I'm going to click on that one, submit here, and this is going to use the prompt that you've just made to basically recreate this image using this prompt. Now, the reason you want to do this is because you want to see, is it good? And if it is good, then you can take this and you can make your own images with it based upon the keywords that are in here. So if you wanted to change this up, you could put an image of a wolf in the snow, and then you could put these keywords here, and it would make a wolf in the snow in this kind of style. Now, while this loads, I'm going to show you a paid version for this. What we want to do is go to a website called PromptBase. Now, at the top, you want to type in Japanese style. You want to go to Midjourney, and then here it's going to give you a ton of different Japanese style images. So if you want a Japanese style poster, you click on this. Japanese style portraits, whatever you're looking for, you can click on that one on here. So let's say I want this antique Japanese style illustration. If you want your artwork to be in this style, what you do is you buy this prompt here. It's going to cost $3.99, and then it's going to give you all the keywords needed to generate this. They'll also give you instructions on how to use the prompt to get your own stuff. So they'll teach you how to fully customize it. And all you do is you simply copy the prompts, put it into Midjourney, and it's going to create stuff like that. Now, if we go back to the free version, you can see, boom, it's basically taken this and it's made this. Now, it's pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's a free way to do it. And with a lot of fiddling around, messing around, you can get it much better. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.